Hi friends, today we're going to talk about counting by twos. Counting by twos is a kind of skip counting. Skip counting is an important skill. It helps you count items quickly and gets you ready to do harder math later on. We can skip count by twos, fives, tens, and many more patterns. This is how to skip count by twos. You start on the number 0 and then you skip over one number and say the next number. So I'm starting on 0 and I'm going to skip over 1 and say 2. I'm going to skip over 3 and say 4. I'm going to skip over 5 and say 6. I'm going to skip over 7 and say 8. I'm going to skip over 9 and say 10. Good job. This is what that sounds like. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And you can keep going. Let's practice. My friend the frog is going to help us skip over one number. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Great job! Let's look at that hundreds chart. All of the numbers we say when we count by 2 are highlighted. Do you notice any patterns? Look at this row. What number is in each of these? That's right, the number 2. 2, 12, 22, 32, 42. They all have the number 2. What number is in each of the numbers in this row? That's right, 4. 4, 14, 24, 34, 44. They all end with 4. What number is in each of the numbers in this row? Did you say 6? What about this one? Did you say 8? Good job. And look at the last row. What number is in each one of these? That's right, 0. This is a pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. See the 2 there again? 2, 4, 6, 8, and then a 0 for 10. If you can remember this pattern, it will help you count by twos. These numbers are also called even numbers. There are lots of things you can count by twos. Socks. Let's count these socks by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. How many socks are there? 8 socks. You can also count shoes by twos. Let's count these shoes by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. How many shoes are there? 12 shoes. You counted these socks and shoes by twos. Good job. You try practicing counting by twos. Pause the video and count how many eyes are in the room you're in now. Count them by twos. Count how many shoes are in the room you are in right now. Count them by twos. Count how many earrings are in the room you're in right now. Count them by twos. Let's continue to practice. If you're counting by twos, what number comes after 14? If you skip over 15, what will the next number be? 16. 16 comes after 14 when you're counting by twos. What number comes after 20 when I'm counting by twos? Remember, skip over one number and say the next number. Did you say 22? 22 is the next number when you're counting by twos. What about 32? If you're counting by twos and you say 32, what number would be next? Skip over 33 and the number would be 34. 34 comes next when you're counting by twos. Good job practicing counting by twos, boys and girls. Try this on your weekly assignments.